Welcome to Key Digital University. It's time to learn all about the troubleshooting tools for HDMI distribution amplifiers. Let's take a look.
Now let's take a look at some of the shared troubleshooting tools in Key Digital's HDMI distribution amplifiers. The KDDA 1x4, 1x2, and 1x8 all have input active LEDs which illuminate solid during active link, that's voltage plus TMDS data from the connected HDMI source. If there is no present source, then that input active light will blink steadily, indicating the signal is not present. Output active LEDs are also blue, illuminating solid when there is active hot plug detection voltage from the connected HDMI output device. Let's take a closer look at Key Digital's proprietary full buffer system technology, beginning with TMDS. TMDS stands for Transition Minimized Differential Signal, but that is the audio-video layer of the HD-Base-T signal. So digital, as we think of it, is full of ones and zeros. However, many layers of connectivity and long HDMI cabling may result in an unclear 0 and 1 by the connected display, and if they're not able to interpret that correctly, then you'll end up with lost pixels, or even worse, no picture at all. Because Key Digital does not live in the world of short-length cables and one-to-one connectivity, all of our products with full buffer system, including the distribution amplifiers discussed in this course, feature TMDS reclocking. So the ones, the red and blue lines of this scope capture, and the zeros, the open space between the red and blue lines, can be reclocked, providing essentially a brand new image on the output of our product, making it clearly interpretable by the display. So you have a clear 1 and 0 there through Key Digital's TMDS reclocking, and that's a setting that is always applied. There is no on or off feature to that. Let's now look at the EDID handshaking control. EDID stands for Extended Display Identification Data, but we know it commonly as the handshake. It's a file that goes from a display to a source, informing the source of its capabilities for video resolution, audio formatting, and much, much more in the digital realm. Now, what Key Digital gives you, the integrator, the ability to control, is the desired resolution and audio format that you'd like to present your source, essentially choosing what type of monitor is your source connected to. So in the one-to-one situation, the display provides the source this EDID file, and the source should accommodate by outputting a compatible resolution. Though, again, we don't have many one-to-one connectivities, so our product instead will provide the handshake, so you, the integrator, can choose a resolution that's compatible across your entire system, which may include many displays. Now looking at forced hot plug detection. Hot plug detection is perhaps the simplest yet the most important layer of our full buffer system. It is voltage that informs the device on either end of the cable that they have a live partner connected and that they should begin the handshaking process so that they can next output and receive signal. The only problem is, once again, in the many layer connectivity that Key Digital is a part of, and perhaps through the use of non-compliant devices or non-standard devices, let's say, some devices may end up not outputting the voltage that's needed, and so the connected source may not see that there is a display to output signal to, or a connected display may not see a connected source and give you the no signal detected message on your screen. So Key Digital products with forced hot plug detection, once again including all of the distribution amplifiers discussed here, give you the option of forcing the hot plug detection voltage to an active setting, high voltage if you will, or when turned to the off position, allowing that hot plug detection voltage to pass through our system as normal. And that has been a look at the standard troubleshooting tools in Key Digital's family of HDMI distribution amplifiers.